Google is gearing up to improve the 3-button navigation experience with Android 16 introducing a new animation feature. This update aims to provide predictive back navigation to users who prefer 3-button navigation, ensuring they don't miss out on the latest advancements. Predictive back navigation was first introduced in Android 13 as a developer option. This feature provides a preview of the screen you're navigating back to when you swipe back. After extensive testing, Google rolled out this feature to the stable channel with Android 15. However, it only worked with navigation gestures, not 3-button navigation. However, most Android phones, including Google's Pixel, now come with navigation gestures as the default setting. Despite this, Google continues to support 3-button navigation for accessibility reasons. This method is easier for some users, especially those with motor skill issues, and is also preferred by older users for its simplicity. With Android 16, Google is working to bring predictive back navigation to 3-button navigation. This will ensure that users who prefer this method have a comparable experience to those using gesture navigation. Currently, the feature works with all compatible apps but doesn't function when returning to the home screen, indicating that Google may still be refining it. Android 16 is expected to be released in Q2 of 2025, with platform stability achieved in the first quarter of 2025. Moreover, developers will need to manually add support for predictive back navigation to their apps. While most popular Android apps already support this feature, there are still some exceptions. Users who prefer 3-button navigation can look forward to a significant upgrade with Android 16. This update promises to enhance their experience, making navigation smoother and more intuitive.